Hey, Joe here, and today we're going to learn how to draw Build a Cat. He's a cat who's apparently Garfield's son. He's quite strange looking. He's from a cartoon called Outland, or more popularly known as Bloom County. You might have seen him in a newspaper or something. He's pretty cool. And we're going to learn how to draw him quickly. The one thing you have to remember in order to draw him is penis and balls. Draw two balls. Draw the penis, make sure it's on one side or the other. Draw a hump. Draw a circle behind the penis and the hump. Draw pupils, these are the eyes. Draw two dots here for the nose. Draw some dots here on the nuts. Draw some nut hairs or whiskers. Draw the tongue. Draw some long triangles right here, one and then one inside it. Those are the ears. And lastly, we can add some effects. Hope you learned something. This has been Joe.